Hi, I'm Ceri and I am the procurement manager for Gwyntamore Offshore Wind Farm, which is one of the biggest wind farms in the UK. So in procurement, no 2 days are the same, every day is different. As the procurement manager for Gwyntamore, my job ranges from purchasing small, low-value parts to managing multi-million pound service contracts. So the thing I love about my job is the people I work with. Every day is different. We have many challenges to come across and we work together as a team to overcome them. When I was growing up, I genuinely believed that I would need to move out of North Wales to find a successful career. But I was really fortunate to fall upon the offshore wind sector. Offshore wind is all over the country with operational sites where you least expect them. They're not city jobs. And I was really fortunate to find a career locally that's going to be long-term and sustainable. So I studied business and law at Bangor University. I found a procurement internship role at RWE and have worked my way up through from procurement intern, procurement officer, and now I am the procurement manager for the site. So I would absolutely advise anyone that's looking to join the renewable sector, it's not just about being a technician offshore. There are so many roles with so many different skills that are needed. My job is law and business combined. I make strategic decisions for the company. But I also work really closely with a range of stakeholders, including engineers, health and safety, finance and environmental. It keeps my job very varied and hopefully I've given you some insight into the different roles within this sector that are available in North Wales.